Welcome back, guys. Today I'm fixing a punctured evaporator. So the hole was big, so I had to replace the whole evaporator with a brand new one. And a brand new one usually comes while straight, so you have to bend it to the right shape. After bending the evaporator, you connect it back to the compressor and weld it. So to avoid this problem, never use sharp objects to remove ice from the evaporator in the freezer. If you want to remove ice or too much ice, it's either you shut down the fridge and give it time, or use the defrost button, press it, the fridge will automatically shut down. After shutting down, then give it time to melt and then remove the ice. It's a job which requires a lot of skill and time, so it's good just to take precautions. After removing that, you have to replace the gas, the compressor oil because it had water, and to flush out the whole system. Follow for more detailed information. I'll be doing another video. Thanks.